I'm gonna be showing you how to make something or get close to a result like. Let me just say it like this. You want to watch this video? I'm here to help you level up and grow. I'm gonna give you the straight shiz and what you need to know to make some cool sounds like this. You know me, peeps. Bam! Put that all the way up there. I'm gonna leave this wavetable in the description, but really what you're trying to look for here in a wavetable is just a bunch of this. Yeah, a bunch of this. A wavetable that has a bunch of random stuff all over it, you're gonna get really good results. So on the filter right here, we have the drive pushed all the way up. Without the drive pushed all the way up, peeps, it ain't gonna do shit for us. So here, you can do about anything with the LFO, as in every video that I say. You can go like this. That might create some more Marauda type stuff. Let's see, like maybe something like. But you want to like turn that off just to be a cool person, like all the pros, and mess around with this. Now I might play with FMDB, see if there's anything else I can do possibly. So you see what I'm saying? And that's just the default wave going through FMDB. This main LFO is on the level also. And then the filter that I picked for this is a cone. Just as you can see on the EQ, so it's pushing everything. And that's how you get that really push sound. And then, more so the drive, but that helps. The drive really helps. Blender gives us kind of some more tonalities. Render it out in Edison. All you do to do that is you hit this record button, you play the sound, and then when you're done recording, you hit this and you can drag the sample out. There's our sound. Now it's laid out. I have it color coded. I have my EQing done. You know how that's done at this point if you watch my videos. You want to maybe add some more layers to it. Now, but I'm going to add on my mixer. It's SERUM FX. So we're just going to try to create a different sound without having to do so much. So how we're going to do this is we're going to go in the FX chain off the SERUM FX. Playing around with is maybe some reverb. So that's something. I like this. I like that little ting at the end too. Is we're gonna record it. That's enough. Maybe. Get rid of this low end because we're using that as a high end. I'll even show you another sound that I made. I did this the same way, but just EQ properly. You guys know how to EQ. I put out videos. I'll put out some more. Yeah. Please subscribe if this helps you. It would make me want to make more for you. So other than that, peace out, guys.